InternLM has just released a model. The size is 20 billion, but they are claiming that this model has beaten GPT-4o on various tasks. I know a lot of models are claiming that, but there is more to it. This model has been tested on Gaokao exam, and Gaokao exam is a Chinese top secret exam used to determine admission into colleges. Gaokao is considered one of the toughest exams in the world. It is an annual national undergrad admission exam of China, which is held in early June every year. This exam is taken by high school seniors at the end of their final years, and some of the students start preparing for it as soon as they enter the school. It lasts approximately 9 hours for a period of 2 to 3 days, depending on where exactly this is happening. Students can choose from English, French, Japanese, Russian, German, or Spanish. For the foreign languages, it also contains science, history, political science, geography, physics, chemistry, bio, and various other things. And there's a very interesting history behind it. I'm not going to go into all that detail, but do check it out. I'm sure you are going to enjoy it. Anyway, so if you go through the paper's model card and other stuff, you would see that they are claiming that it achieved comparable results to GPT-4o and outperformed it and various other open source models in few of these benchmarks. So let's get it installed on our local system and then see whether it is true or not. Before I show you the installation, let me give a huge shout out to our good friends at Massed Compute who are making it possible to make these videos on all of these models. So this model is 20 billion size, which is not that common. So we are going to use a quantized version courtesy Massed Compute. If you are looking to rent a GPU on good prices, I'm going to drop the link to their website in video description. Plus, I'm also going to give you a discount coupon which you will use to get 50% discount on range of GPU. So do check them out if you like. So the tool which I'm going to use for it as usual is my trusted LM Studio. Let me make it a bit bigger. And if you don't know what LM Studio is, please search the channel. You should be able to find it. So launch LM Studio and then type InternLM2 WQX 20 billion. Don't ask me what WQX is. I have no idea. Then just press enter and you will see there is only one quantized quant available, which is surprising from yesterday. So hopefully it will work. I haven't tested it. I'll be upfront, but let's check it out. The file size is just over 14 gig. I already have started downloading it. As you can see here, sorry, let me make it slightly smaller. Okay, so I'm just going to adjust this on my screen. Bear with me. So it is installing as you can see on the bottom. It is almost done. Let's wait for it to get finished and then we are going to test it out on various benchmarks. Model is downloaded and you can see that I am loading it right now, and you can keep an eye on the resource usage on the top left. Let's wait for it to get loaded. Okay, so the model is loaded and then I have also set the preset to chatml. Let's see how it goes. Let me ask it first question, which seems simple, but a lot of models fail it. So let's see what this one does. I have asked it that write me 10 sentences which ends with the word beauty. And you can see that it failed all of them. I'm not sure if they asked this question in that Gaokao test. And if I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that test right, but that is how you would say it in English. But anyway, now let me try out a couple of questions from that test. Okay, let's first ask it a math question. So in this one, I'm just asking it a sort of a equational question. The answer is 2 here. So let's see if model is able to do that. So it is going through reasoning and then it is going through steps. That's good. And the answer is -3, which is totally wrong. But remember, this is a contest version, but the quant is quite good. It's not that hard a question, so I'm not sure. Anyway, let's ask it another question. Now in this one, again a math question, I'm asking it in a right angle triangle. The length of the hypotenuse is 5 centimeter and one of the angle is 30 degrees. what is the length of the side adjacent to the 30-degree angle? So let me run it. Now the answer for this question is 2.5 centimeter using the 30-60-90 triangle ratio. So let's see. You see it is reasoning through it, which is quite good. I like the way it reasons. That is quite good, and stepwise it goes like just like a student would do in an exam. Now what it's saying is solve for the unknown side, and now we just need to solve this, which represents the length of, what is the answer? So what is the final answer? So it says, nope, it's not really giving me any answer for that. Anyway, so I don't think so that's a good answer. Let's try another one. So this one is a science question. In this one, I am asking it, what is the process called when water moves through a plant from the roots to the leaves and is then released into the air as water vapor? So the correct answer is transpiration. Let's see if it knows that. Yes, that is correct. So that is transpiration. Beautiful. Okay, let's ask it another science question. So I'm asking it, what is the scientific term for the building blocks of life? The basic structural and functional units of all living organisms. So the correct answer for this is cells. Let's see if it knows that. It's called cells. That is correct. Beautiful. Okay, let's ask it a couple of Chinese questions. In this one, I'm asking it, I just gave it a Chinese phrase and I'm asking it, what does the sentence mean in English? And by the way, it means, my friend's name is Yao-Ming and he's from Beijing. Let's see. It says it translates, I was born and raised in Beijing in English. This indicates that the person spent their formative year in Beijing. Okay, so but GPT-4 tells me that it means that my friend's name is Xiaoming. So if you are Chinese, so please tell me which one is correct, this one or the GPT-4. Okay, let's see. So these are the Chinese questions, by the way. In this one, next one, I'm asking it, write the Chinese character for dragon and its pronunciation in Hanyu Pinyin. Let's see. Okay, so let me see. Seems okay to me. This is long. Yeah, looks good to me. But if you're a Chinese speaking person, please also let us know if it is right or wrong in the comments. Okay, let's try out English. So first I'm asking it, what is the meaning of the idiomatic expression break a leg? It means good luck. So let's see if it knows about good luck. Yes, wish for good luck. English is amazing. And now let's ask it another English question. I'm asking it to write a brief summary of a famous novel such as To Kill a Mockingbird or Pride and Prejudice. So let's see if it can do or not. Yep, that is correct. Yes, that is awesome. And what's the character, Elizabeth Bennet? I think yes. Okay, I'm not sure. Okay, but I think for English and Chinese and science, it is good. But for math one, maybe it was quantized or my questions were too hard. And if you have taken that exam, let us know if my questions were not correct. But all in all, it's okay model. I'm not sure where it has beaten GPT-4 or other open source model, but would be keen to learn about them more detail. I will check out their Hugging Face card more. It is mainly in Chinese. I really didn't go through that, and I don't see much benchmarking here. Anyway, so that's it, guys. Let me know your thoughts. Very keen to know what do you think about this model, but interesting, especially when it is geared towards their premier Chinese exam. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps. Thanks for watching.